Hey, welcome back to day 5 of our 7-day wellness challenge. Today we are going to explore the power of stretching and how it keeps our bodies feeling flexible and vibrant as we gracefully age. I'm Jess, and I'm excited to guide you through this rejuvenating practice. Our bodies are like a work of art, meant to move and flow with grace. But as we age, our muscles can become stiff and our range of motion may decrease. That's where stretching comes in. Stretching is a gift we can give ourselves every day. It helps maintain our flexibility, improve circulation, and even reduce the risk of injury. Plus, it feels oh so good. Let's start with some gentle stretches. Reach your arms up to the sky, lengthening your spine, and feel the energy flow through your body. Doesn't that feel amazing? As we age, our muscles tend to tighten and our joints can become less flexible. But with a regular stretching routine, we can keep our bodies limber and agile. And that goes for you too, gentlemen. Because of the increased levels of collagen in your tissue, you have to work a little bit more to keep your flexibility. Let's not forget about our legs. Stretch those hamstrings, calves, and quads. They've been carrying us through life's adventures, and they deserve some love. The best part, stretching is not just about physical flexibility. It's a beautiful opportunity to connect with our breath and find a moment of peace within. So let's remember that day 1 of our wellness challenge and practice breathing while you're stretching. Now ladies, yes, flexibility comes more natural to us because of the increased elastin in our tissue, but that's no excuse to put off stretching to tomorrow. Take a deep breath in as you stretch, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. Embrace this moment of mindful movement and self-awareness. Remember, muscles cannot be stretched and contracted at the same time. That's how tearing and injury happens. So settle into your stretch lightly and focus on relaxing the muscles you're stretching. Oh, and relax your face. As we age, our bodies may face challenges, but staying flexible can positively impact our daily lives. It allows us to move freely, do the things we love, and maintain our independence. Research has shown that regular stretching can improve our posture, reduce back pain, and even enhance our athletic performance. But beyond the physical benefits, it nurtures our emotional well-being too. Stretching provides us with a chance to be present in our bodies, fostering a sense of grounding and inner calm. It's an act of self-care that keeps us youthful from the inside out. So let's make stretching a part of our daily routine. As we move and stretch our bodies, we're embracing the beauty of life's ever-changing journey. Congratulations on completing day 5 of our wellness challenge. By embracing stretching and maintaining our flexibility, we're honoring our bodies and nurturing ourselves holistically. Tomorrow, we'll transition nicely and explore the art of postural awareness. Get ready to stand tall and move with grace. Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep enjoying these transformative practices with us. Until then, let's keep stretching and stay fabulous at every age. Take care, and I'll see you at day 6. Oh, and before we go, let's take one last long moment together to stretch and breathe. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. You're doing an incredible job on this wellness journey. Keep up the fantastic work, and remember, you're ageless and limitless in your potential. See you tomorrow.